I may be in a lot of fandoms considered bad, but at least I have the balls to admit that my fandom sucks. Let's use My Hero Academia as an example. The anime itself is amazing, but the people in the fandom are just unfunny and stupid. Sometimes I even make pretty unfunny jokes about the show too. Another fandom I'm in that I'd like to mention is the Jujutsu Kaisen fandom. Don't even get me started with those annoying ass potential man jokes and the overused jokes about Gojo and Geto being gay for each other. Can y'all genuinely just shut up? August rants out.